Okay, this is Joe against the kid from Iowa with the fancy singlet. Cross face! Cross face! Push his head down! Push his head down! Push his head down!
Come on, switch to a double, return, return, big return, lift it, there you go, pop your head out,
to your belly, go to your belly, there you go,
red, takedown, red,
come back up,
stuff it to his ear, hard wrist, right there it is, pressure, if you don't have pressure, they're going to stand up on you,
head up,
keep pressure, jump hips, run it.
Head up, buddy.
Time. Extend it. There you go. Lift his head. There you go. Great.
Okay, Joe, your match. Break him down. Spiral breakdown. Pick him up and throw him down. Pick him up, there you go. Break him down, there you go.
Feel the hands. Here it comes. There you go. There you go.
All right, lock those hands, nice.
There you go, belly. There you go.
Get behind him again, get behind him.
That leg. And keep it. Right
You gotta scoot.
Keep it. There you go.
Belly out. Head up, belly out.
Now go. Run that. Put it to his ear. Right there. Give it.
Oh, shoot.
There you go. Heavy.
There you go.
Run a half.
Keep fighting. Keep fighting, Joe. Keep fighting, chest down. Let's go both up. Charge him, Joe.
There it is. Suck it in, and up with it.
Hard whizzer, whizzer hard. There you go, whizzer hard.
Pop your head out.
Shoot.
Run it. Mixed up. Right there. Heavy.
That's trouble.
Head up.
Tough match.
Good job, guys.